Hi everyone, we're here in my backyard and it's nighttime because I wanted to introduce you to one of our nighttime visitors. Here in our neighborhood there's a lot of animals that are nocturnal, so they sleep all day and then they come out at night to hunt. And I was hoping to find one, so I've got my flashlight and we're going to go and look for one of those animals tonight. Okay, let's go and see. So, you see what we found? Up there on the fence. I wonder if you can tell me what kind of animal this is. I think if I get the flashlight up there, you'll be able to see. They have masks on their faces, and if they were to turn around, I think you'll see bushy tails with rings on them. So what kind of animal do you think that is? Well, if you said raccoon, you're right. These are some of our neighborhood raccoons that like to come out at night and look for food to eat. And they're not very particular. They're called omnivores because they'll eat anything. They'll eat small animals, they'll eat fruits, they'll eat vegetables, they'll even eat the garbage. And once one of these rascals got into my garage and ate my dog's food. Can you believe that? Well, they might look cute and cuddly, but they'll bite or scratch. So we have to be careful around these guys. And I'm hoping one of them will turn around to show you their tail here pretty soon, because the tail has the rings on it. And they're really thinking about coming down into the yard, and they're just waiting for me to leave because they want to get something delicious to eat. Because they know down in the yard there's some food waiting for them. Oh, here he is. He's going to turn around. Let's see if we see his tail here. Come on, little raccoon. Oh, there's his tail. Yep, he's got the rings on it. Okay, I think we're going to go inside and wait for him and see what happens. Maybe we'll see him in the yard in a little bit. Yep, here they are. They made it down into the garden. And they found some of the bird food that fell out of the bird feeder. It's one of their favorite meals that they like to come down and eat. Oh, they're getting a little bit nervous because they don't like to be too close to people. So, I'm not sure if these guys are male and female couple, but if they are, we might have some raccoon babies called kits in a couple of months. They usually come out after about 2 months with their mamas to forage for some food. So maybe we'll have some baby kits at the end of the summer. I can't wait to see them. Well, I'm so glad you got to see our raccoons that are our nighttime visitors. And maybe somewhere around your house, you'll have some nighttime visitors too. If you do, send me some pictures. I want to see them. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.